Okay, example 8 says find the axis of symmetry, the vertex, and two other points on the graph function. Do this algebraically. To do this algebraically, you've got to remember your formula for axis of symmetry is negative b over 2a. Now, this is already in standard form. So, to find that axis of symmetry, we're going to do the negative of negative 4 over negative 2, 2 times negative 2. Because it's times 2 and then a. Negative times a negative is a positive. So it's going to be 4 divided by negative 4, which comes out to negative 1. Axis of symmetry is at x equals negative 1. So at negative 1, that's going to be your dashed line that's going to split your graph in half. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? For the vertex, plug in the negative 1 into our equation. So negative 2, and we'll put in negative 1 squared minus 4 times negative 1 minus 7. And we just start to solve it. So that's positive 1 times negative 2, which is positive 2. Sorry, negative 2. Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4, and minus 7, which is negative 2 plus 4, which is positive 2. 2 minus 7 is negative 5. So our vertex is going to be at negative 1, negative 5. So negative 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right there. To find our next point, pick a point to the left and a point to the right. So we'll do the point to the right first because it's just 0. So negative 2, 0, minus 4, 0, minus 7. That's 0, 0, and then it's 0 minus 7, which is just negative 7. So at 0, we go down to negative 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. When I plug in for negative 3, negative 2 times negative 3, sorry, I forgot to put the squared earlier, minus 4, negative 3, minus 7. And when I do that, I get 9 times 2, negative 2, which is negative 18. It's going to be positive 12, and then minus 7. This comes out to negative 6 minus 7, negative 13. That's not right, because this was supposed to be at negative 2. Apologies. My hand is not working in function very well with my brain today. I should have plugged in not negative 3, but negative 2. So negative 2 squared is positive 4. Negative 2 times positive 4 is negative 8. That's going to be positive 8 and then minus 7. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. 0 minus 7 is negative 7. So there's our graph, and we did all of that just algebraically. Sorry, now you can see the work. I got my 2 points, got my vertex, got my axis of symmetry. So you could do all of this without using your graphing calculator. Now, let me explain the homework. Here's your homework assignment. It says 8-3. There are 2 where you're just going to do straight from your calculator graphing, and then there's 3 down here where you're just going to solve. So find the intercepts. You can use your calculator and do those as well. These ones on the back that are review, if you want to do these 6 and 7 as bonus, you can do these as bonus. 9 and 10 don't do, and number 8 is bonus as well if you want to try it. Okay, those will be 5 points apiece if you get each of them right. So do not do 9 and 10. Good luck on your assignment. I hope the videos were helpful to you.